Hello, welcome back. Okay, this video is going to have an outside underarm spin for you. Yes, outside underarm spin for the follower. Yes, this is going to be really cool. It starts to get really kind of fun on this one. We're going to take it from a closed position and an open position so you can see the difference and the similarities at the same time, okay? And we're going to take it from 4 different angles. So, here we go. Start with a closed position, her left and my right side close together, and triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step. And we end with an upside down position. You know what patterns to use to get out of that. Cool? So let's take it from an open position. Okay? Again, my back is to you, so we're going to put my back to you again here. Alright, so it's a triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step. So you see how the angle works, and you still kind of end up on the same side. So we're going to rotate this a little bit, rotate it here, and triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step. Nice. So let's do it from an open position, and triple, rock, step, triple step, rock, step. Nicely done. All right, let's turn it a little bit more. Closed position first. Ready, and triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step. Nicely done. Now we're going to go for the open position. Ready, and triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step. Cool? All right, one more time. We're going to face the camera this time. Ready, and triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step. Nice. Here we go from this position, and triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step. Cool. Now, you see from an open and closed position, yes? Remember, when you're doing swing, this little triple step, don't think that you have to travel everywhere. You know this when you start spinning for you ladies and guys. There's a spinning drill for you and a video for you ladies to work on, and guys. But what you want to understand is that sometimes when you're doing triple steps, they don't have to travel all the time. Sometimes they can be in place depending on the size of the floor and what you're feeling at that moment and the speed of the music. So don't always think that you have to travel all the time. Cool? All right?
I'm just going to add, just piggybacking on the mention of that spins and turns video. Invaluable, so you definitely want to go look at that. Like you said, definitely for us followers, because we spin and turn a lot.
Yes.
It's also very beneficial for the guys as well, but it's included in your package.
Yeah.
Go
check it out. Because
yes,
I talk about a lot of stuff, and then not just the footwork and setup. It's also talk about, you know, how you think about your spins and what to do with them. Cool. Yeah. So go check it out. Have fun. Again, you're getting to the spins now. That's a good one to go to. And go practice and come on back for the next pattern.